Your children's rights online. The internet opens up a world of opportunity, but we know that children don't always have positive experiences online. The risks are real. Cyberbullying, toxic feeds, and age-inappropriate content are harmful. You might have felt like there were no rules online or that you couldn't protect your child. This has now changed. There's a set of rules for online platforms to protect your and your child's rights online. Platforms need to make sure children and adults are protected from being harmed by their experiences online. Platforms must have easy-to-use reporting mechanisms and should have parental controls, such as setting time limits, among other safety mechanisms. If you're worried about something your child sees online, report it to the platform first. If you need help with this, or for more information about what Coimisiún Meán does, check out www.cnam.ie.